Hi everybody and welcome to my website. My name is Brooke Forcade and I'm here to show you just a little bit about what my website has to offer for you. Here on my homepage, it's just a little introduction, and my website is all about speech therapy and activities and the best websites to continue speech therapy if you have a little child or for yourself at home. To get to know a little bit more about me, you can click on my biography page. Here is a photo of me and just a little bit about myself. I'm a college senior at LSU, graduating this spring, and then pursuing my career as a speech language pathologist by attending graduate school. And I'm super excited about that. So, some resources that I have for you are listed below, and these are just some beneficial resources that are trusted and well known within the speech therapy community. So these are right here for you to explore and look at if you need some additional information. And here with the Web 2.0 tools is some of my favorite apps and websites to be able to communicate and collaborate with my peers, my colleagues, and work professionals. Blogger, Google Docs, Google Drive, everything is so convenient on Google and easy to share. Continuing on to my personal favorites, these are just some of my favorite websites that have tools and activities that you can access for free at home if you're working on speech therapy with your little one or just want them to engage and attend to an activity. These are all listed below. Going on to technology projects. Posted on the home page, I have my digital scavenger hunt and a thematic slideshow that exhibits some of the aspects of speech therapy that'll give you a glimpse into what it's like in this field. And these are interactive, and you can click through them as fast, as slow as you want, and you can also click through the digital scavenger hunt, which just shows a little bit about my campus at LSU. Under the Technology Projects tab, you can see my digital story that I've created on YouTube, and you can play it right from the website so it doesn't redirect you anywhere else. So I won't bore you with the whole thing, but watch more if you would like. Continuing on to mobile app, I researched GoNoodle, and this is one of the greatest apps that you can have having your child home and can be able to stay active while also having some screen time during all of this uncertain time right now with the new COVID-19. This is a great app that will benefit your child at home. And you can click through the slides, gives you a rundown. And so here on my PLN PLE tab, I have my personal learning environment and personal learning network for you to know a little bit more about me and how I think and train and do all of that and curate my projects and stuff. So, and below I have some links you can go to see my thoughts and my words about some of my reflections for these categories, give some examples, and be able to talk a little bit about how they help you. Under website evaluation, this is just an interactive PDF that I filled out when I researched one website, speechandlanguagekids.com, and filled out what I thought about it and if it was beneficial, useful, good stuff like that that you could check out if you wanted more. So under the Evaluations tab, I am Apple Teacher Certified, and I have all 6 badges showed, so go me, woo! And you can see all of them that I completed. And the Screencast-matic will be uploaded after I submit this video to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will gain something or a little bit of knowledge out of my presentation. Thanks.